Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure CapCut for localization, subtitles and translation workflow, full guide step by step clearly. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import the video you want to add subtitles to. Locate the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Click on the text option in the menu on the left. Select Add Text to create a new text layer. Type the desired subtitle directly into the text box. Adjust the timing by dragging the edges of the text layer on the timeline. For localization, select the text layer and choose the language you want to use. Use the translation feature to convert your subtitles into the target language. To ensure accuracy, you can manually edit the translation if needed. Customize the font, size, and color of your subtitles for better visibility. Position the subtitles on the screen where they won't obstruct important visuals. If you have multiple languages, repeat the process for each subtitle layer. Preview the video to check the synchronization of your subtitles with the audio. Make any necessary adjustments to timing or text for clarity. Once satisfied, export the video to save your changes. Consider using CapCut's features for captions and audio if needed. Review the final video to confirm all subtitles are accurately displayed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.